Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to get rid of deep wrinkles around the mouth. How to get rid of wrinkles on the forehead. How to get rid of wrinkles on the neck. In today's video, we will prepare an anti-wrinkle mask using eggs and Vaseline. The first thing we need for this is Vaseline. Vaseline. Moisturizing your skin with Vaseline is an important preventative measure to slow down the signs of aging on your skin. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. First, melt the Vaseline in a hot water bath. Does Vaseline have any anti-wrinkle benefits? Yes, Vaseline has anti-wrinkle benefits, but it doesn't directly eliminate wrinkles. Here's how it works. The main benefits of Vaseline for wrinkles. 1. Retains moisture. Vaseline creates a protective layer on the skin, trapping moisture. This prevents the skin from drying out, which can lead to premature wrinkles. 2. Gives skin softness. When the skin is smooth and soft, wrinkles are less noticeable. Vaseline enhances this effect. 3. Gives the skin a temporary tight look. Vaseline smooths the skin slightly, so wrinkles are temporarily less noticeable. 4. Protects against collagen loss. It doesn't directly increase collagen, but it helps maintain skin elasticity. We also need 1 egg to make this mask. What are the benefits of eggs for facial skin and wrinkles? I will give you information based on scientific facts. 1. Albumin protein in egg whites tightens the skin. Fact: egg whites contain a large amount of albumin, which temporarily tightens the skin and makes it look like wrinkles are reduced. Source: Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, 2012. Egg whites have been found to smooth the top layer of the skin in the short term. 2. Antioxidants fight wrinkles. Fact: egg yolks contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. They protect the skin from sunlight and slow down the aging process. Source: Nutrients Journal, 2013. These antioxidants help reduce the damage caused by UV rays. 3. Nourishes the skin with vitamins A, D, E. Fact: egg yolks are rich in vitamins A, D, and E. They accelerate the renewal of skin cells, making the skin soft and smooth. Source: Dermatoendocrinology, 2011. These vitamins play an important role in repairing the epidermis and maintaining elasticity. 4. Helps maintain skin moisture. Fact: the fats and lectins in eggs help restore the hydrolipid balance of the skin, which reduces skin dryness. Source: International Journal of Cosmetic Science, 2014-5. Stimulates collagen production indirectly. Fact: the amino acids in eggs are involved in collagen synthesis. Collagen is essential for skin elasticity and wrinkle-free skin. Source: Journal of Nutrition, 2015. Amino acids, such as proline and lysine, help produce collagen. Conclusion: eggs are a natural, affordable, and effective tool in the fight against wrinkles. In particular, egg whites tighten the skin and reduce oiliness. Egg yolk nourishes, moisturizes, and protects the skin with antioxidants. Add lemon juice to the mask and mix well. Help smooth out wrinkles, so I squeeze a tablespoon of lemon. This fruit, rich in vitamin C, can be a great way to treat wrinkles naturally. The acidic properties of lemon help brighten your skin and smooth out wrinkles. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Soak lemon peel in the mask. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now you apply this to the wrinkles on your face. Apply the mask to your face and massage well. If you have wrinkles on your forehead, you can also massage your forehead. If you have deep wrinkles around your mouth, massage it with your hands for 2 minutes. Massage your forehead for 2 minutes and your neck for 2 minutes. Apply the mask to your face and massage it in, then let it dry on your face. You need to do this for 3 days. and it is a very easy, simple, effective remedy. Try this mask to get rid of deep wrinkles on your face and neck, and leave your comments in the comments. So, when you're done, wait for the mask to dry and then rinse it off with cold water. Vaseline moisturizes the skin and prevents it from drying out. Egg whites stimulate collagen production and tighten the skin. Lemon juice is rich in antioxidants, brightens and rejuvenates the skin. This mask helps reduce wrinkles. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Dear friends, check out another recipe for anti-wrinkles. Mix tomato and banana peel. Apply for 5 days to look younger. Tighten facial skin. Home remedies for wrinkles: banana skin and banana peel for face. Home remedies for wrinkles: banana skin and banana peel for face. Tomatoes remove wrinkles from the face and naturally smooth the skin. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which protect the skin from free radicals and stimulate collagen production. The combination of these substances increases skin elasticity, helps reduce wrinkles. Lycopene reduces the harmful effects of sunlight and slows down photoaging. Vitamin C whitens the skin, reduces inflammation, and speeds up the skin's renewal process. Honey. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. My friend, this is a great skin rejuvenator and helps keep your skin young. Apply the mask to your after massaging your and then massage. You can also apply it to your neck. If you want your skin to look younger, apply this mask in the morning or at night. Apply the mask to your face and massage it in. Then leave it on your face for at least 15 minutes. You can wash it off after 5 minutes and then repeat it every day for at least 6 days. Every day your skin will have a smooth appearance. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.